Can you explain how you pay yourself or take money from your LLC? Sure. So you finally started your own business. Invest for the long term, and I'll show you exactly how. Be good to future you. We have to remember that when we're an LLC, when we have an LLC, when we have a business, it's considered a pass-through entity, right? So all the money that our business makes goes onto our tax return. All the money that you make from your W-2 job goes onto your tax return. All the money that all your businesses make, plus what you make from your employer, if you have one, it all goes onto your tax return. So if that's the case, then what's the best way to get money from your business to yourself legitimately and so that it can be accounted for properly? Well, since you're going to be taxed on all the money, all the profits anyway, you're going to take what's called an owner's draw. So you're going to transfer the money from the business bank account to your personal bank account. It's going to be a simple bank transfer. You can even write a check if you want to. And in your accounting software, you're going to label it as an owner's draw. So that way we know that the money came out of the company and went into your personal account as owner's pay. And it makes it way easier to file your taxes at the end of the year. Now, this is how you pay yourself if you're just an LLC taxed as sole proprietor. If you're an LLC taxed as an S-Corp, your payments are going to be a little bit different. Because when you're an S-Corp, you have to take a reasonable salary and distributions, 2 forms of payment. And your reasonable salary, right, you're gonna pay full taxes on that as an S-Corp. But your distributions are not subject to self-employment tax. So all of your distributions save you a ton of money, right? Because you're not paying an extra 15% on them. Now, some people would say, well, why wouldn't you just take all your money in distributions and say, fuck it to the salary and take $1 a month? The IRS literally says it has to be a reasonable salary. That's the word they used, reasonable. So you got to take a salary to play by their rules.